guys are doing it wonderful as well. I enjoy my FMF exhaust. Put some Tusky Sport Adventure tires on. Those seem to be handling pretty well. I've got, I don't know, probably 300-400 miles on them so far. They seem to be wearing good. I'm gonna do a review on them because I'll put 2,000 miles on them pretty quick. Now that it's warming up, I'll be riding a whole lot more than what I was. Hoping to get this mic set up done and back to something a little more manageable, to the point of where I can do some vlogs and hang out and talk and converse, because I like being able to hang out with you guys. Been getting a lot of comments on my Sportster videos, and I guess for me, I really need to go and sort of do a review. I don't guess I have to be on the motorcycle to tell everyone about the review, or to tell everyone about the bike, or about any questions that they may have. I'll save that for a future video. So if you guys get the chance, go and check out the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast we do every Wednesday. Last Wednesday we had John Maxwell on there. John's a really cool dude. Before that we had Whit Meza. Before that we had BLOCKHEAD. And I tell you, I really enjoy hanging out with all those people. They're really good people, really nice. I don't know, they're actual, good people. I know it may sound strange, but when I say that, that they're good people or whatever, it's just when you meet someone at like a meetup or anything like that, sometimes they're not the same as what they are when they're on YouTube or anything like that. So I really enjoy meeting people that are, basically how they say that they are, and that they don't try to be something that they're not, and stuff like that. But, so anyway, if you guys get a chance, you guys can come up and go to the website for 5dirtybikers.com, and we've also got information up there to where you can find out about the Midwest Moto Meetup. If you hadn't heard about the Midwest Moto Meetup, the meetup we put together last year, just sort of to do a meet and greet and camp and hang out and bring the motorcycle community together. And come to find out, it went over pretty well. So we're going to do it again from now on out. And we've got a bunch of really good sponsors. We've got a lot of really good sponsors. Memphis Shades. I don't really know who all. I know we got Memphis Shades, Odin Gloves, White Castle. Did I mention we had White Castle as a sponsor? So that's drive bomb. But yeah, go over there and check that out. If you want to hear anything on Sportster videos or anything like that, or hear about, you know, how the Sportster was whenever I sold it, or if you have any questions or anything like that, just put them down in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer and give you guys some feedback on it. I can tell you I absolutely love the KLR. KLR has been a heck of a motorcycle for me. I couldn't have asked for a better bike. But anyway, you guys get a chance, check out some of the other videos if you haven't already and you feel like doing so. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. Oh, that was good. That was a good tail light conversion right there. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys tuning in.